My name is K. Chandra. I am studying 9th class. JPHS School, NSP Colony, Venezuela. My chosen project is vertical shoe stand in my school. In school, children shoes often end up standing facing during intervals and lunch break. Don't matter. There are types or arranged properly. This issue worsens when there is placed near the classroom. And then the following tells the student loss of differently and identification. My name is Swapna. I am studying 8th.
Instruction is problem. A large plastic pipe was cut and situated to the wall. Multiple smaller pipes and attached to it in different directions. Each pipe was capped and labeled with electron cells named by atomic reactors, and aparters. Color codes were also applied to every orbital for information release. Students assign their own orbital to place their shoes similar to electrons in occupied orbitals on an atom.
Relatively organic solutions which are designed by the atomic concept of the vertical shoe and spool. We may benefit in the process of vertical shoe and spool. With the atomic concept of the model and the structure. In the process of the problem, the principle and the way of the one in a practice of the way. Application, practical uses. Keep children's shoes organized and easily accessible. Save space in constructed school areas. Encourage clean lines and responsibility among